Hello guys, today this is the garage door video, and this time we bought the garage door. So I wanted to show you this garage door remote. So first I wanted to show you, there's the garage door remote, Access Master. Now let's go down there to the garage door. Now I'll show you the real results. 3, 2, 1. Here is the garage door, and this is the Access Master garage door opener. I hope you like this one video. So first we have the chain, always is there. Hope the gears are okay, and I hope this bad start capacitor works. Hope it works. And there's a Access Master 3rd horsepower, and there is a door service. If this broke, I would just tell them. But anyway, I already know how to do that. So basically, now I wanted to show you this. So there's the wire here. So it goes not so high up. I'm not sure how big this is, but they don't need to be so big because all they need is just a plug. No, it's really big here. Goes up to here, this roller, and there's the little thing here. There's only one problem. The bracket here for the release rope I don't even see it in there, which if I wanted to move it, I couldn't. So that's a bad issue too with this garage door too. Now let's show you the down and up force. So this is the Access Master, same thing. Now there's the down travel, increased travel, got down and up travel, same thing. And here it is. So it's really cool. So this thing was built in March. It was built in March 2002. The remote actually says the same thing too. Look here. Says right here, March 2002. Up here in this little corner here. And in the back, and they are the same here. And in the back here, they're also the same. Now I'll show you the back. So here's the back with the stuff. There's the brain. The back here is all the brain. There is the learn button. It's an orange learn button. There's 1, 2, and 3 buttons. And there's the force control and date. And there's the antenna. And these things, for trick that it didn't come with a wall button, so I have to use this as a wall. I don't have to use this as a wall button, but I can just use it to turn it on. So here, the wires. So if you connect 1, 2 with a screwdriver turning sideways, it would think that, hey, someone pushed the button. So and it will go all the way to the bottom there and then come. And it might not do so well, so I have to hold it there and then 2 and 3 are the sensors. So we do have sensors, nice. They were built in 2024, which is good, and they're always brand new. So the start capacitor is orange. That's a little weird. Cover, I think, maybe. But it is not bad. So here's the clicker. I'm not sure if it still works, but if it has enough battery left, then I'll keep it and I'll do something with it. So now let me show you the remotes now for this garage door. So I'm going to show you inside of here the remotes of this garage door opener. So let me show you here the garage door remotes. I mean sensors. So here are the sensors. They are brand new. These things are new sensors. So let me show you here. And there's the other sensor. Comes with a big wire pack. I really like that. And it came with some brackets, which means I don't have to use my own way and have to create something that would fit these. Nice. And now we have these. So they are compatible. Here's some compatible ones that would work. Chamberlain LiftMaster and Chamberlain LiftMaster all both together. They're both brands. And they come with an Access Master because they look the same. And here, let me show you the date. So it was made in April. So it made in April 2024. Actually, not bad. I think this guy ordered some of these, and then all of a sudden he realized that his garage door, he didn't want it anymore. And then he said, you know what, it's getting too old. This garage door is really old. Let's change it out. So I saw he got a Chamberlain My Cube. Not bad, actually. Here's my button. I think he lost the button. I think he used to have it, but I think he lost it. But have it. So I think this could be my control thing. So like that. And there's the tape together. Make sure they don't go too loose. So then, now after that, now I wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and I hope you like this other video. We will test this maybe, but I'll see you in another day of testing this garage door. See you next time, guys. Bye. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. See you guys in another garage door video. Bye.